Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by preparing a stable base and measured pigments so you get predictable coverage. Combine a creamy opaque base like a small amount of titanium dioxide or zinc oxide with a neutral cream medium. This gives you opacity and adhesion. Then weigh pigments precisely. Start with red and yellow equal parts and a touch of white to soften. This creates peach. Once done, you will be ready to blend slowly. Keep a micro spatula and scale on hand to control tiny adjustments. Now you mix carefully so the texture stays creamy and pigments disperse evenly. Add pigments to the base in small increments, stirring for at least 1 minute between additions to evaluate color saturation. If the tone reads too warm, add a tiny amount of white or more yellow to balance. If too orange, reduce yellow and add minute red adjustments. Make sure to test on your wrist or jawline under natural light, so you can see how the peach sits against skin and tweak accordingly. To finish, modify the finish and stability so the corrector wears well. Add a drop or two of carrier oil for dewy finish or a pinch of silica for matte. Once satisfied, incorporate a preservative at recommended percentage if your formula contains water, then transfer to an airtight container. If you see separation or graininess, remix thoroughly with an emulsifier or gently warm and reblend. If color shifts, recalibrate by adding the tiniest pigment adjustments and retest under natural light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.